District Transport Officer jongka East Khasi Hills District rengkat ki Bor District kumjuk ketenat pulit haka katsau terik rempang kila penkut no yaga National Road Safety Month 2024 ha parking lot ke badan marpersyak bat ke State Bank of India Shillong. Superintendent of Police Traffic Uki Prasad ha ke jingkran ulaong haus snem arhajar arpulai ka tenat pulit kala register hadu saupun riu teli ki kes na ki jingja aksident bat na kini saupun ngut de ki bayap bat khatsan ngut pat de ki bamensau. Nalor kata ulaong bahau kala lingkot mentau snem la register riu teli ki kes bat na kini riu ngut de ki bayap bat khatlai pat ki bamensau. Uki Prasad ulaong ke jingya tengku kali ke zaman usnem bat kani ke jalong na kadau jong ke jingya kali thurmur ke jingya stat bat bombut yaki kendonnya kali. Kumta Uki Prasad ula banjur yaki pajba khamtam kinongnya kali bakin bot renti yaki anya kali. Ha kani ke sengi ladon lang ke Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills District ke Kong RM Kurba District Transport Officer uba Arhing kinongnya kali kamai bat kiwei-kiwei.
To create the awareness about the safety on the roads for the drivers and the user itself. What we have experienced that in every year there are thousands of precious lives are lost due to the road accidents, and many of them they sustain the fatal injuries. The reason behind it is the reckless driving, over speeding, and many speakers they have all attributed that the respect. They are not respecting each other rights. They are asserting themselves that they are only the one who are paying the road tax, and they only are being allowed to exercise their wills. These are not the rules. In fact, in Meghalaya itself, we have numbers of casualties every year. In Shillong city last year we have registered 46 cases. 46 cases, out of 46 cases, 40 deaths were reported and 15 persons were sustained grievous injuries. I am talking about 2024 in the month of January. Only we have registered 6 cases where we have lost 6 lives. And there are 13 grievous injuries. So that way you can imagine that how conscious we are while using the roads. We are always in hurry. We do not pay the importance for others, and we are overtaking in the busy markets, whereas Basimli, he has already given the brief details, and it was a very nice expression where each and everyone should understand. Confronting to each other, it carry no meanings. Because traffic is generally who are on the road, they are performing their jobs, they are regulating and enforcing the laws. It is one who can make the difference. It is only the drivers. The drivers who sits carry a lot of responsibility. He doesn't carry his own life, but he carry the others also. So that he should understand that while using the roads, they should be careful. They should not understand that it gives a thrill while driving. Driving under the state of intoxication itself is a crime. And as you know, that the fine is amounting to 10,000 rupees. If your driving, if your consumption limit exceeds more than 30 mg in per 100 ml blood, you are unable to control as per the MDX. So it should not exceed beyond 30 mg. But I would say that while driving, please don't consume alcohol because you lose your judgment. When you are intoxicated, you do not know what is wrong and what is right. You are under the state of intoxication and you drive and you thrill yourself. That way you are endangering your life itself and endangering the life of others also. So learn to respect each other's rights so that the other road users are also there. As we have already given the pamphlets, we have distributed the pamphlets. The teenage driving is increasing. That we need to understand that what is their qualification limits.
Bonsin, Nishamba, habang imi na iyan, nisyan iklan. village ki come and teng so si ban ong ba habang ini na yang ini da kajing kemen ndai kubur bawan hadin pada kalong ba na accident no nene naklan no kala belong not necessarily the driver or the passenger, but it can also be a pedestrian. Kala belong tang ya kinong nya kali nene kitu kinong nya kali ki ba ya tengku kali para mapi lene di passenger nreiru kalong ru ya kinong ya denti. That's why ngidon kam ban penlong kini programan man kapor kenang bang in pen kesil pia. We need to conduct these programs very often because we need to kind of create this awareness that there is in our constitution of the country, constitution of India, pakaan jong ka kanong rin ka bang ipentrekam hakari jongi kata constitution ngidan atli ki chapters ngidan atli gilenong kaway gilenong kalong ka fundamental rights but lenong ka basaw ka di fundamental duties babon sin nangi ngimju pet ya kata gilenong ka basaw bon nangi ngitip ha we only know about our rights. But we never give the importance of the fundamental duties that we are supposed to also give the importance and stress. So therefore today we take this opportunity to talk about both our rights and our duties. And I'm so happy today that Bas Imle has mentioned both.
Shubu menta lada pi ya chrum sheneng kala jaya ngaru shisen bangadang tresha block po pangawan pai na penursla ngayo yewe brio hang te halai mer hit and run mo kini ki highway ki bon ha ki cases of hit and run nga request ki pait ba kat kum kaan balapan mi nak Supreme Court ba pila ban lift ki to ki brio okay ki kat ki good Samaritan please help people lada fi ki baki accident halanti sengken what ki kumto what ye lam met kashan mobile ban post up on Facebook na ban spread the wild like pelong viral ya ka the first step kum responsible citizen kalong ba pin phone ya ka 108 lane lada pidon ka kali please help pila ban save life namar bala dadang deh itu golden hour hapo si kanta dang la ban yarap yaitu ibreo ban penpoi siya po hospital ban yo ya kajing yarap tela delay lanang lose ya ka snem jang itu ibreo tela nang kala nang duna kataka jingkermen ba in light im tis ngob ha wat tiang yo piong bahap late siya kekot bayo hap ban hajir hakot kamdan kung bata pila ban si one drop because it has happened to me kalang lajang ngaklam siya khot hano ru but snow ha ban ra gitu ki ba yo accident ha surong live ki wood ra ikishan hospital